Hi and welcome to the walk around video here at your next car. As always, we're going to begin with showing you around the exterior. I'm also going to talk to you about major talking points and features of this 218D M Sport Coupe we have here for you. At the front of the car you'll see it's a 2016 66 reg. Also comes with the full YNC Mperformance body styling kit alongside being presented in the very nice black sapphire metallic. The alloy wheels are the 18-inch M Sport wheels that we've had fully refurbished in gloss black once again. We've also replaced the two front tyres for brand new ones. Back to the front you'll see that it also has the very sought after Xenon light package, and down the side of the car you'll not only see just how clean and tidy this vehicle is, but alongside the YNC Mperformance decals and the gloss black sidebars, it also has the sun protection glazing on the rear windows. And again, we've got one of the very nice and very sought after options within the interior. It does come with the black Dakota leather with both the heated and electric lumbar options. It's a 7-speed automatic within this car, and of course we'll talk more about the interior options very shortly. Isofix rear bench and a centre storage tray, and the very nice darkened M Sport headlining you see there. Making our way towards the rear of the car, again we'll show you off these very nice black M Sport alloy wheels. At the back of the car we added a gloss rear boot spoiler and matching diffuser for this vehicle, and if you've not yet seen in the boot space of a 2 Series Coupe, you'll be very pleasantly surprised with just how much space you do find in there, alongside of course being once again all very pleasantly kept and in good order. We do also get split folding seats to of course give you that little bit more room. At the other side of the car again we can show you just how clean and tidy this 2 Series is, alongside how well the black sapphire works with all of the additions we've made here at your next car. I'm going to go on now and take a seat inside and just run yourself through a couple of the interior features in a bit more detail. We've got the BMW business navigation and media on this car, and I'll begin with starting the vehicle up and just running you through a couple of those screens. Starting with the navigation, of course, we've also got Bluetooth telephone and audio, DAB radio, along with a wide array of multimedia inputs, including USB, AUX and the Bluetooth audio I just mentioned. Down here we find our climate controls along with the switches for these lovely leather seats. And back at the service requirement screen, which we'll have a look at in just one second. This vehicle has covered just over 62,000 miles and does also have a very good extensive full BMW service history, which again I'll show you in just one second. As you see there, going up to the top, and there you can see all of that BMW service history. Again, another sought after option for the car is we've not only got the speed limiter option, we've also got the full cruise control as well as voice and volume controls, all on our multifunction M Sport steering wheel. So thank you for taking the time to watch this walk around video, and hopefully you've enjoyed it and found it useful. If you do have any more questions, please remember that down into the description you'll find a link for our website. Alongside, you can of course drop a question down below in the comments and I'll happily get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you very much, and we'll hopefully see yourself soon. Bye bye.